Hello again, ChoroQ fans. Today we have a Volkswagen new Beetle. I got it online. I don't think it came in this packaging originally, but interesting to see here. This is a limited edition of 1,000, I guess, and this car had a real driver in 2002, some sort of Japanese Beetle racing league. But I looked up the driver's name, I looked up, number 99, and I just couldn't find any images of a real car. So I just pulled up, these images that we see here. And let's take a look here. So, well, that air dam's kind of close. Doesn't have the little vents, though, on the corners. Oh, I guess those are the turn signals, originally. And then this ChoroQ doesn't have the big lower wing that I see on these cars. But, these might be I'm guessing these are European Beetles racing around. So I'm not sure what the Japanese racing Beetles looked like. Again, I couldn't find the proper images. So let's continue on. So the wheel gap is a little bit, well, it's not bad for a road car, but it's not good for a racing car, so I'm going to do a wheel swap. This thing is painted red, so a little bit of orange peel showing, but I like that the graphics are all tampo printed, so that's going to do well for longevity. As you can see, it's already like a 20-year-old model. Really nice black texture here. This is just plastic, probably part of the base. And silver paint here for the markers and headlights looks okay. And sadly, there's a giant bulge here for the Volkswagen logo, but they didn't print it on. So that's kind of weird, right? It's not actually a really darkly smoked canopy, as you can see the motor there. And then it's odd that they would write Volkswagen here. They obviously had licensing from Volkswagen, so why would they skip such an important badge? ChoroQ Racing Team, number 99. It's just got a bunch of the Q logos all over the thing. It looks like this rear wing is a separate piece, actually, so that's kind of neat. There's indication for the third brake light. Again, the logo with nothing. And then, well, I guess they didn't need to paint this red because the car's already red. Some circles here, probably for the backup and the reflector, but no paint there. So Cox, I don't know what that would stand for. Cox. This is ChoroQ Racing Team, the CRT. And then yes, 2002. And then don't mind the white residue, you can just wipe that stuff off. And so it's a clear body, painted red. Alright. Although this front end, I guess it must be part of the same clear body, it's just got more paint on it. Alright, let's get this thing apart here. So number 99 CRT Cup car. I wonder if there are other numbers, or if this is just the one racing car they did delivery of. Oh, that came apart easily, which is unusual. Okay, so there's construction. Just get this motor out of here. That wheel out of here. So I got wheels like similar to what you see in these photographs. I actually had them on a different model, but because of the putty, it's just easy to swap wheels around. So these are 3D printed wheels that I purchased, but then I 3D printed some brakes of my own to put into this design. So it's double 3D printed from two sources now. So, I would say that looks a lot better. Let's get this spinning. Well, maybe not so much camera on a racing car, right? Let me tighten that down. Okay. Alright, so I do have a 1/64 scale Kyosho Volkswagen new Beetle. but I also 3D printed some wheels for this guy. So that's good. Actually, it doesn't say Kyosho on it. I think it's a dealership model. But well, you know, I don't know who makes it. If I had to guess, it would be Kyosho, but there's nothing saying that. There's this weird logo on the bottom. I did a review of this a long time ago if you want to search the channel. So there's your foreshortening. And ChoroQ wise, I do have this convertible new Beetle. And see, it's got a nice Volkswagen logo on it. And I have some Real Riders from Hot Wheels. I'm modding that one out. Here's a ChoroQ Zero of a variant. Obviously an older one. And then I have this ChoroQ Golf from the some sort of nostalgic set, it says on it. And that's got Hot Wheels Real Riders on it as well. Let's get a race car driver up here. So there we have it. We have a new Beetle in racing form. I think it looks pretty good. Just missing some Volkswagen logos. Alright guys, well, thanks for checking this out. We'll see you around. Bye.